Hi, the video you're looking for is on my secondary channel, not my main channel, which you can go to by clicking the link in the description below. Or go to my main channel, go to the right hand side and look for Haven of Hope. Or go to the playlist section and find the video you're looking for there. Otherwise, if there's a copyright issue with the video, there's a second link to a different website, and you can go and watch the video there if the video is blocked on the YouTube channel. Alright, that's all I have to say, so yeah, thank you guys for watching, I'll see you there.